Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quickenings in Final Fantasy XII: The Zodiac Age. First, understand that Quickenings are potent abilities that require missed charges to activate. Each character can unlock a maximum of 4 distinct Quickenings on their license board, so plan your license path carefully. Remember, these missed charges are a shared pool across your entire active party, meaning strategic management is key for successful execution. To begin, select a character in battle and choose their desired quickening from the command menu. You'll see your current missed charges at the top of the screen. Ensure you have enough for the chosen ability. Once activated, the quickening will unleash its power, and a brief timer will appear. This timer is crucial for setting up a chain, so be ready for the next step. As soon as the timer starts, quickly choose another character's quickening or select Mischarge if available. Mischarge is a valuable option that can restore a character's missed charges, potentially allowing for a longer chain. The goal is to link as many quickenings as possible before the timer expires, as this increases your chances of triggering a devastating concurrence attack. The true power of quickenings lies in concurrences, which are devastating finishing moves triggered by specific combinations of chained quickenings. There are 8 unique concurrences to discover, so don't hesitate to experiment with various chain lengths and quickening types to unleash their full potential. Mastering these will significantly boost your damage output in tough battles. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.